In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect XM to TradingView. Now, I actually have good news because even though if you go to TradingView over here and you go into Trading Panel and you actually try to find the broker, so XM, as you can see, there's basically nowhere to be found. You can't find it. But it's good news because you actually can trade using TradingView's charts and use it for chart analysis directly on XM. Because as you can see over here, I now have my account over here pulled up, so the XM account. And in here, you can see there's actually the TradingView chart. Okay, so it says chart by TradingView. You can then go ahead and draw on it, do whatever you want, put on the indicators, change it, change the time frames, and then the settings, of course, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can basically directly trade on XM using TradingView, and there's no need to actually connect it because it's not even possible. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.